Today we're whipping up Texas trash pie. We're talking about layers of chocolate, pretzels, coconut, pecans, graham crackers, caramel bit, and sweetened condensed milk, all baked into a gooey candy bar style dessert that originated at Royer's Round Top Cafe in Texas. Let's get baking. Okay, y'all, this is the fun part. Mixing everything together for our Texas trash pie. Now, don't let the name fool you. There's nothing trashy about this pie. It's actually famous in Round Top, Texas, where Royer's Cafe made it a legend. We start with the basics. Sweetened condensed milk. That's the magic glue that holds this whole pie together. Next, and there goes our chocolate chips, because honestly, what dessert is complete without chocolate? Now we're adding pretzels. This is where the salty crunch comes in, and trust me, it makes the sweet flavors pop. Toss in some graham crackers for that cookie-like bite, then shredded coconut if you like, gives it a chewy texture. Don't forget the pecans. We're in Texas after all, and pecans are the star of so many southern desserts. Finally, a little caramel for that rich, buttery sweetness. I like to call this a kitchen sink pie because it feels like we threw in everything but the kitchen sink. Some folks even call desserts like this magic cookie bars or Hello Dolly Bars. But around here, it's pure Texas trash pie. And just look at this. Sweet, salty, nutty, gooey, all mixed up and ready to bake into the most addictive pie you'll ever taste.